now let's see CBSE 10th Max Trigonometry, the 8th chapter, first exercise, that is 8.1, 7th sum. So what is given? If cot theta is equal to 7 by 8, evaluate 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta. And the second subdivision is evaluate cot square theta. Now what is given? It's given that cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. So what is cot theta? We know that cot theta is adjacent side divided by opposite side is equal to 7 by 8. So from this we can know that adjacent side is 7 and the opposite side is 8. Okay. So now let's draw the triangle, right angle triangle ABC. And this is the right angle. And let's say this is the theta. So now which is the hypotenuse? This is the hypotenuse. This is the adjacent side and this is the opposite side. So what is the hypotenuse? We don't know what is the hypotenuse. So what is the adjacent side? It's 7. What is the opposite side? It's 8. Now it's our duty to find out the hypotenuse when it's not available to us. So according to Pythagoras theorem, we know that the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of other two sides. AB square plus BC square. So what is AB square? It's 7 and BC is 8. 49 plus 64. So what is 49 plus 64? 113. So AC square is 113, which implies AC is equal to root of 113. Now what is given in the question? It's given that sin theta and cos theta is also given in the question. So we have to find the values of that also. So what is sin theta? Sin theta is actually opposite side by hypotenuse. Which is the opposite side here? The opposite side is BC and hypotenuse is AC. BC by AC. What is BC? BC is 8 and what is AC? It's root 113. Now what is cos theta? Cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Which is the adjacent side from this triangle? The adjacent side is AB and the hypotenuse is AC. AB by AC, which is equal to 7 divided by root 113. So now let's go to what is given in the question for evaluation. 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta, 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta. Now carefully observe this. 1 plus sin theta and 1 minus sin theta. We can say that it is in the format of a plus b into a minus b, right? In the numerator, a is 1 and b is sin theta. And for the denominator, a is 1 and b is cos theta. So evaluating this, what is a plus b into a minus b? It's a square minus b square. It's a formula which you all know. I hope you know this. In case you don't know, please learn this now and here itself. So applying this formula, what will come? 1 square minus sin square theta divided by 1 square minus cos square theta, right? So what is sin theta? Sin theta is 8 by root 113, which is equal to 1 minus 8 by root 113 the whole square. That is sin theta is 8 by root 113. Here we were having sin square theta. So here in denominator 1 minus cos square theta. What is cos theta? 7 by root of 113. So cos square theta is 7 by root of 113 the whole square, which is equal to 1 minus 64 by 113 divided by 1 minus 49 by 113. Which is equal to 113 minus 64 divided by 113, 113 minus 49 divided by 113. This 113 and 113 will get cancelled. So now what is 113 minus 64 for the numerator? What will be the answer? It's 49 divided by 113 minus 49. It's 64. So the answer for the first subdivision is 49 divided by 64. Next, what they have asked us to find? They have asked us to find cot square theta. So what is cot theta? In the question itself, they have given what is cot theta. Cot theta is 7 by 8, right? So what will cot square theta be? 7 by 8 the whole square. 7 by 8 the whole square is equal to 49 by 64. Now moving on to the next sum, that is if 3 cot A is equal to 4, check 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. Again we have to do the similar way only. Cot A is equal to 4 by 3. Actually cot A is adjacent divided by opposite side, which is equal to 4 by 3. So the adjacent side is 4 and the opposite side is 3. So drawing the right angle triangle, this is 90 degree. Hypotenuse is this. So in A we can put the theta. This is the adjacent side and this is the opposite side. Adjacent side is 4, opposite side is 3. We don't know what is the hypotenuse. Now it's our duty to find out the hypotenuse. By Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So what is AB square? AB square is 4 square. BC square is 3 square. 4 square plus 3 square, which is equal to 16 plus 9, which is equal to 25. So AC will be equal to root of 25, which is equal to 5, which means the hypotenuse is 5. Okay. Now what else we have to find? We have to find tan A, cos A and sin A also. So coming here, what is sin A? Sin A is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. What is the value of opposite side? It's 3 by 5, which is equal to 3 by 5. What is sin cos A? Cos A is equal to adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Which is the adjacent side? It's 4 divided by 5. Now coming to tan A. So now what have they given in the question? They have asked us to prove that 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. So now let's take LHS, okay? What is LHS? LHS is 1 minus tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A. So substituting the values, 1 minus, what is tan square A? It's 3 into 3, 9 by 16 divided by 1 plus 9 by 16. Solving, we'll get 16 minus 9 by 16 divided by 16 plus 9 by 16. This 16 and this 16 will get cancelled. So what is 16 minus 9? It's 7 and 16 plus 9 is 25. So the answer is 7 by 25. We are getting LHS as 7 by 25. Now we have to find RHS, okay? RHS. What was given in RHS? RHS, it was given that cos square A minus sin square A, which is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. So what was the value of cos A that we found out? It's 4 by 5. So 4 by 5 square minus sin A was 3 by 5 and 3 by 5 square, which is equal to 16 by 25 minus 9 by 25, which is equal to 16 minus 9 by 25. So what is 16 minus 9? It's 7. So 7 by 25. In LHS also we got 7 by 25 and in RHS also we are getting 7 by 25, which implies that LHS is equal to RHS, and we have proved what was given in the question. Thank you.